Hello, my name is Yas Kadranov. I'm from STA 2012, and now I will show you my record of assignment 5. So in this assignment, I had to firstly implement TestNG annotations and secondly configure and implement login log4j. So here you can see my report and screenshots. So the first task was implemented SNG annotations. So the first step is you need install Firefox and Chrome. Also install Java JDK, install Maven, install your IDE, and download Chrome driver or Firefox driver. Mm, Next. So what is TestNG? TestNG is a testing framework, and we can run our Selenium test by using its annotations such as before method and test, after method, and etc. So we can structure and control our test class with testng.xml file. We should add class names, methods, groups, parameters in this file to run our test with specific configurations. So TestNG annotation, so before suit, before test, before groups, before class, and etc. So test automation project with Selenium Java and TestNG. Here you can see. So firstly, I opened IntelliJ and created a new project as shown below. Next, I selected Maven and click next. Then I filled all um name I mean uh, all these empty fields. Um, and here you can see my project structure. So now we need to add Selenium and TestNG libraries in our project by using their dependencies. In order to get those dependencies, I um, went to this website, Maven repository, and Maven repository Selenium Java, and I added TestNG and Selenium dependencies in pom.xml as follows. Maven will automatically download the required file into our project. So after that, I clicked the project, then selected new, then clicked file. I wrote testing.html and clicked OK. In order to create a test file, I clicked Java folder under the test folder and selected new and clicked Java class. Then I gave a name to it, so I have a first test class named. Then here is my test scenario. So first I open my website which I choose. So it is testacademy.com. When I get its title print and then print it on the console and check that it is correct or not. So I declared WebDriver, then declared the test URL variable, then created a new Chrome driver, then went to my website, which I choose. When I get page title, I print page title and my assertion. And after method, close browser and end the session. So after that, I constructed my testing XML file. So I did it by using IntelliJ. So yes, I did it by IntelliJ. So I right click on my test file and click create first test icon as shown below. So after I clicked OK button, I saw icon on the right top corner of IntelliJ IDE and click run icon. So my Selenium test ng test started. So here you can see my test results. So the next task was configure and implement login log4j. So what is log4j? So log4j is a Java-based login utility. As of this writing, Apache log4j is the latest version for log4j, and it provides significant improvements over its predecessor. So firstly, what I did, I used configuration file written in XML when I created configuration factory and configuration implementation, when bytecode VIP is exposed in the configuration interface to add components to the default configuration, when bytecode method on the internal logo class. Um, so I added dependencies which I needed. Uh, so yes, here you can see. Also, I added log4j dependencies, and here you can see my POM XML file. So it should look like this. When my properties file creation, so I showed before SRC, the properties file should be like, and also here you can see my file. So I called it log4j2 dot properties. So yes, so here log4j expects to be when yes, and added the following properties to log message to the console. After that, I created my class. Created a class called base class inside package. Then added WebDriver and Logger instance, ensuring to import Logger from the old Apache login log4j class as shown below. Then lastly, I added a setup and teardown method to the base class with some login statements. So my first test, so I added a new package under SRC test Java called com test cases. Next, I created the hello world class in this package. Created a test called test hello world and added several login statements as follows. When I run my test ng test, so I click the green arrow next to the test name and select run to execute the test. And as the result, the console output will be hello world, sample debug message, sample error message, sample info message, sample warn message, and goodbye. So I finally, what I can say that in the second test I successfully configured log4j with my Selenium project, and also I used TestNG, and that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.